We decided that one day we're going to go into a retirement place because really the home was getting a lot to look after and all that stuff. But just seeing that everything clicked into a place, we were given the name of the ONESource, and we decided, oh, that's the one we would contact, a good reputation. And we looked here and this place, and we contacted your people, and it just seemed to all click right in just perfectly. You took over. When I say took over, really you assisted us in every way possible. You even helped with the selling. When I say they helped, gave us the name of some real estate agents, and you staged the home for us, and we just had you people do pretty well everything that we needed. And from the downsizing to the, as I say, the selling of our townhome, the actual moving, we were extremely impressed. We have recommended you to a number of people. Every people we see that's moving, we say, contact ONESource. You didn't do anything that we didn't want done, but we decided that we would let you do the whole process and coming in, advising us what we needed to do. So
it was a very good experience. It had to be done in a very short time. Within 2 months from the moment we decided we were coming here till the moment that we actually moved, and 2 days later our house was, the possession of our house was taken. So it was extremely short. You moved very well, and it was relatively easy and relatively stress-free.
Yeah, it took a lot of the stress out of the whole situation.
Your people were very, very professional. They didn't make us feel that we had to decide something immediately. They gave us a lot of guidance, so therefore we felt comfortable. That was probably the thing. The day of actually moving, we were told that they'd arrive about 8 o'clock in the morning, which they did. I must say, they were always very prompt. If they said they were coming at 12 o'clock, they came at 12 o'clock. Not 1 minute after, they were there. And the day they were coming at 8 o'clock, we didn't know what to expect, but by 8:30, we were told we could leave. And so we picked up a couple of bags of things and walked out the door and just felt, oh, this is strange. We have moved a lot in our lifetime. It's never been quite like this. And so we got in the car, went out for breakfast, came over here, and filled in the time by 11:30, 11:45. The first load of things came. We went down and had our dinner, came up, and the girls and the fellows were unpacking. We helped with that because we knew, and sort of directed what they wanted to do. And as we said, by 3:30, they were walking out the door, and we were amazed to know, because our house was not all that clean by that time. We were amazed to know that the house was all finished, and we told them to throw the key in the garbage, and that was it.
And it was spotless.
Yeah,
it was.
We did go over the next day and check.
Blew our minds.
And we couldn't believe all that had been accomplished. And it was done so efficiently and so quickly, and really require things to be organized and clean. And I felt that they were completely in charge and did the job well. We were very comfortable. Our bedroom was all completely set up so that we could live in some personal things and that. We crawled into bed and thought, what an interesting day this has been. We would highly recommend them to have, and it was as basically stress-free as you could make it for a very stressful situation.